ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नमो सद्गुरु तुकया ज्ञानदीपा नमो सद्गुरु सच्चिदानन्दरूपा नमो सद्गुरु भक्तकल्याणमूर्ति नमो सद्गुरु भास्करा पूर्णकीर्ति सम्पाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं नमामि योगं शिरसा गुरुं तम् समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। Ramakrishna Hari. Today is the last day of our Adhik Mas Chintanam, and awesome Avesam Abhanga is coming here. Very beautiful. If you have not listened all talks of this Adhik Mas Chintanam, if you listen this much is enough. Okay, so beautiful song, beautiful meaning, whole heart is expressed here. So far, today is the last day, and I am very happy to announce that because of my all gurus and my Varkari Shikshan Samstha, Chinmay Mission, Pavai Ashram, they gave me this everything. Because of Chinmay Mission, I can see, or I have that vision to find out where is Vedanta. Because of Varkari Sampradaya, I have this singing quality, little bit, not much, but I can manage if nobody is there. That quality is because of Varkari Sampradaya, and so much grace I feel, whether I don't know it is there or not, but this is my conviction that my all teachers of Varkari Shikshan Samstha, all great acharyas of Varkari Shikshan Samstha and Chinmay Mission Swami Bodhatmananda Saraswati, he gave me everything, and because of that I could do this seva as per my best. Okay, so I am very happy, thankful to all of them. They give some ability in me. There is one great sentence: ability is not important, availability is important. I will repeat: ability is not important, availability is important. Whether you can do this or that is not important. If you are available, we will empower you. Varkari Shikshan Samstha, Chinmay Mission Samstha is like that. If you don't know anything, they will empower you. You will know everything. Just you have to make available yourself to them. Availability is important. So because of them, today I am here, I am talking. I am not great sadhaka or a great speaker, but definitely I am a great bhakta of Lord Vithala. And that Varkari Shikshan Samstha and Chinmay Mission gave me. They carved a great personality in me in 6 years. So I pray to God. Why in the beginning of Abhanga I am mentioning? Because some people, they don't listen full Abhanga. So in the beginning I am saying or showing my gratitude, offering my gratitude to all of them. May God give me lot of opportunity to expand or to elaborate what Santa Mahatma said. I want to do seva of Santa Mahatma and this our society. so that I also will be in line with Tukaram Maharaj, Jnaneshwar Maharaj and Shankaracharya ji, and everybody will also have faith in these great people. This is my pure intention behind these talks. There is no publicity intention, money making intention, nothing like that. If you give, I will not say no, but intention is not that. Okay. Beautiful Abhanga. Tukaram Maharaj says, having gone through life, having understood the greatness of you, O Lord, and having understood the benediction of Santa Mahatma, now I have strong faith in my heart. Okay. And that bhava should not change in coming time. My bhava should never change. This is my request to you. Somehow I have good thought and faith in my mind. Now that faith should not be shaken by anything. This is pure devotion Tukaram Maharaj ji is asking. And Tukaram, we'll see one by one. Today I am very happy that we could complete 29 Abhanga. Actually 60 Abhanga is the set of Natache Abhanga. Out of that I have done this. Next 30, 40, we don't know when Tukaram Maharaj wants me to speak on that, but we will complete that also. And I am planning to start something new from tomorrow, but I don't know, I am not sure. If he says you do, I am ready. I am ready means I am available. He will make me able. Ability he will give me. Just I have to make available for the work. Okay. Beautiful bhajan, beautiful tune by Bodhe Baba. आता माझा नेनो परतो भाव, आता माझा नेनो परतो भाव, विसावो निठाई ठेविला जीव, विसावो निठाई ठेविला जीव, सकळ लाभांचा हा ठाव, सकळ लाभांचा हा ठाव, ऐसा वाव झाला चित्ता ठाई, ऐसा वाव झाला चित्ता ठाई, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास. Many of the verses, Abhangas, they are starting with Ata. Ata. Ata, Ata means now. Now means I have understood something. I am now convinced with what I have understood. Now I will change my course of action. Now I will not repeat the same thing because I have understood something. Same thing I will not repeat. One important Siddhanta of our Vedanta, if you do whatever you were doing in the past, you will get whatever you have got in past. If you want your future something new, you should do something new so that result of that doing will be something new. I hope you have understood. Whatever I have been doing in past, if same thing I go on repeating, I will get whatever I got in past. No new thing will show up in my life. If you want something new, greater, you have to do something better. Okay. Tukaram Maharaj says, Ata माझा भाव परतो नेनो. Now my conviction, determination should not be shaken off by anything. Nothing should shake me. Nothing should shake my conviction, faith on you, O Lord. आता माझा नेनो परतो भाव. Now I have some feelings for you. Nobody should able to change my feeling. We have feeling towards some person. Then somebody comes and our feeling gets changes. He says something. Now I have totally opposite view towards that person. If I love my friend, If another friend comes and tells, oh, that friend you are having, that person is worst fellow. Now what I will say, okay, he is worst, then I will leave him. Now my bhava has changed. Tukaram Maharaj says, now my bhava should not change. Now I have love, feeling, conviction for you, that should never be changed by anything. This is the humble request to Lord. Ata माझा नेनो परतो भाव. Why? विसावनी ठाई ठेवला जीव. This jiva, this finitude notion, it was all the time insecure. It is all the time craving for something, all the time asking something. Now today I found the resting place for this jiva, where this jiva can be at peace. This I got. विसावोनी ठाई ठेविला जीव. Jiva visavoni thai thevila. This is Anvaya of Abhanga. Jiva, that which is restless, now became calm and quiet in you. Thai means O Paramatma in you. Thai means Adhikarana, Adhishthana. In Lord, now I have found the resting place. Therefore, my bhava should not change. Therefore, nothing should change my course of action. Tukaram Maharaj is saying. And why? One more reason he is giving. First reason is, my mind is now happy, not going here there for happiness, not wandering for happiness. Now I am happy. Second reason he is saying, telling, sakala labhancha ha thav. Thai means Paramatma in Adhishthana, and that Adhishthana thav, sakala labhancha thav. Whatever I have got, Paramatma I have got, that Paramatma can incorporate and include all kind of gaining. Labha means achievement, labha means accomplishment, and all accomplishment, they fall in one category, that is Paramatma. For example, if I want to be what I shall say, in company, if I want to be a employee in best company like Infosys and all, I want to be their employee. I have gained that position, but now I want bigger position. Now I want to be a TL, team leader. Then I will strive for that. Somehow after 3-4 years I get that position also. Then I feel no, I should be manager of that. I am gaining something, I am accomplishing something, but I am not happy with that accomplishment. Now what I have to do? I have to run for another accomplishment. So that labha we don't call labha. As far as Vedanta Gita is concerned, labha definition is different. We say, if you get that labha, after gaining that, you don't want anything else. That is called labha. Manyate nadikam tataha. Yasmin sthito na dukkhena gurunapi vichalyate. Yam labdhva cha param labham na manyate. Once you get that attained accomplishment, after that you don't want anything. Yam labdhva cha param labham manyate nadikam tataha. Once you be in that position, after that you don't feel that is the best position, I should accomplish that. You feel this is the best position, I don't need anything now. That is called labha, and that is only Paramatma, his nature. Tukaram Maharaj says, Sakala labhancha ha thava. Paramatma is the abode of all accomplishment. Paramatma is the apex of all accomplishment. Culmination of all success is there in Paramatma. Means what? If you have all accomplishment in your life and you don't know anything about God, your all accomplishment, they are nullified. And if you have Paramatma in your life and if you don't have any other accomplishments, you are king of this world. Tuka म्हणे आम्ही राजे त्रैलोक्याचे. I am the king of this whole world, Tukaram Maharaj says. What he had? Nothing. But he had Paramatma. Same way, we have everything, but we feel I am the slave of this whole world. Do this, do that all the time. Everybody will dictate me terms, and I became slave of these people. If you want to be a king, have friendship with king. Don't have friendship with other people, have friendship with king, you will be also prince. ऐसा वाव झाला चित्ता ठाई. Vav means this is my firm conviction now, and chitta thai, within, this is my firm conviction that my bhava should not change and my jiva should rest in you, and you are the only accomplishment in this world. This is my conviction now. Aisa vav jhala chitta thai. This is my determination, O Lord. Now Tukaram Maharaj says, okay, you have accomplished this biggest accomplishment. What was the capital for that? Tukaram Maharaj says, I had only one capital, that he is mentioning. Today enjoy this talk, huh? From tomorrow I don't know. भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, झालते झालो निश्चये दास, झालो ते झालो निश्चये दास, न पाहे मागील ते वास, न पाहे मागील ते वास, पुढती सोस सेवेचाची, पुढती सोस सेवेचाची, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास. What was the capital to accomplish this big achievement? Tukaram Maharaj says, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास. I had faith in you. Faith is the foremost thing if you want to achieve spiritual path, spiritual thing. Because here tangible result is not there in spirituality. You will say, I will do puja. What will I get? Only one peda you will get. That's all. There is no tangible result. This you will get 20,000 if you do puja. You may get 50,000 punya, but this is no guarantee or tangible result will be there. That is why you should have faith. We all want grossified, tangible result. I will work for 1 month, I will have 50,000 and I will take TV. This TV is what? Tangible result. In spirituality, there is no tangible result. In fact, you will see all spiritual people, they are beggar actually. They don't get anything. So, to have faith in the beginning is the best thing. Tukaram Maharaj said, that is my capital. Bhandaval gathi tari vishwasa. Vishwasa means faith, conviction, determination. And because of that faith, झालो ते झालो निश्चय दास. With firm determination, I became servant of you. Servant doesn't have any freedom. Whatever his owner says, Swami says, he has to do that. He can't have his own agenda. Very important. We say, I am das of Paramatma, and we have our plans and things in our life. This is not dasa. Dasa is like Hanumantaraya. If Bhagavan says cross the ocean, cross the ocean. Bhagavan says bring Sita, bring Sita. Work for Sita. This is called no personal agenda. Then only we can become dasa. Only words doesn't make you dasa. So nishchaya has to be there. Jhale nishchaye. I am now firm. Conviction is there. I am now dasa. And Tukaram Maharaj says, तुमचिये दासीचा दास करोनी ठेवा. Tukaram Maharaj one step ahead. He says, you make me servant of your servant. What is seva bhakti, seva bhava? न पाहे मागील ते वास. And now So far I have been doing samsara, I had been doing samsara. Now I will not look up to that samsara. Tukaram Maharaj, when he understood God is the ultimate goal of my life, then he did not do samsara much. With full attention and full all the time worry. This was not there. Sometimes Bhandara, Bhamchandra, Ghoradeshwar, he was there only with Paramatma. He would come down to plane, but not with much greater intention. So when you understand everything is useless, asara rite phalkata, this is also a stage. Nobody can say this is good or bad. Where you are, that will decide whether this samsara is good or bad. It is up to you. If you are a palmer, then samsara is good. If you are a vishayi, then samsara is good. If you are a jidnyasu and in that mumukshu, then this is not good for you. You deserve something greater, higher. Na pahe magilate vasa. Now I will not look back. I will just walk towards you. I won't worry about what is happening behind me. No worry about samsara. And what next? Pudati sosa sevechachi. I am also doing seva to Tukaram Maharaj's Grantha. Tukaram Maharaj says, Pudati sosa. Now I will have one goal in my mind. I should serve now. Service is the foremost thing in this spiritual journey. First is Vishwasa, capital. Then after Vishwasa, Seva. Seva is the most important thing. Tukaram Maharaj says, Pudati sosa sevetachi. Now there is no chanda, there is no delight in other things. Now I will take delight, I will derive sukham from seva only. I will dedicate my life for seva only now, because I have firm conviction. Tukaram Maharaj says, whatever I had in my mind, I disclosed everything in front of you. Ahete nivedile sarva. Ahete nivedile sarva. Maza modiye la garva. Maza modiye la garva. Akali kaal aghave parva. अकाळी काळ आघवे पर्व झाला भरवसा कृपेला भाचा झाला भरवसा कृपेला भाचा गाठी तरी विश्वास भांडवल गाठी तरी I am singing little bit up. Ahete nivedile sarva. Whatever things were inside me, in my mind, I have now expressed in front of you. Ahete nivedile sarva. I am not keeping anything back now. Whatever I had, I have disclosed in front of you. Maza modiyela garva. And whatever pride I had, that you broke that pride. Modiyela, past tense. You broke down my pride. Akali kala agave parva. And there were not good sign or not good time. Akala means not good time. All bad time you converted into good time. Akali agave parva kala. Whatever bad times were there, you converted all bad times into good time. Okay. And now I have total understanding, total faith that you will give me moksha. So far moksha is not achieved. Now I have conviction God is the ultimate goal and I will go to Lord, I will serve there. So far seva is going on. Tukaram Maharaj is in that seva stage. Okay. Now he has that conviction, I will get moksha now. Now means after some day, when I ask a question, when I start enquiry, then I will get the moksha. Tukaram Maharaj says, Zhala bharavase krupe labhacha. Krupa means grace and bharosa means faith. I have full faith on your grace now. Okay, whatever I had, I expressed in front of you, and you broke my pride, and now I have full faith you will give me moksha. Tukaram Maharaj says now, beautiful thing, we all want satisfaction. We all want contentment in Vyavahara. And when that contentment, samadhanam will be there, Tukaram Maharaj gives, when you see everywhere God, when you see in every person, every individual as a God, then you will have samadhana. Otherwise, that person did this, this person may do that, that person can do this, gone. No samadhana. Inner peace we say in corporate world. Inner peace we want. That inner peace will come when you see everywhere Paramatma, in every person Paramatma. And that is not overnight achievement. It takes time. झाला भरोसे. Next. व्यवहारी व्यवहारानंत, व्यवहारी व्यवहारानंत, नाही या वाचोनी जाणत, नाही या वाचोनी जाणत, तरी हे समाधान चित्त, तरी हे समाधान चित्त, लाभहानी नाही येत अंतरा, लाभहानी नाही येत अंतरा, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास. Vyavahari means in transactional world. Vyavahara Ananta. Ananta means Paramatma. In this transactional world, when you transact, that time you see Paramatma everywhere. Nahi ya vachoni janat. Nahi ya vachoni janat. Ya vachoni means nahi Paramatma vachoni janat. Where in this transactional world, when I transact, interact with people, that time I see Paramatma in every person. It may harmful for Vyavahara, but my mental peace will not be disturbed. People will take advantage of that. This person is simple person. They may take advantage of mine, but my inner peace will be intact. Vyavahari Vyavahara Ananta nahi ya vachuni janat. In all Vyavaharas I see Paramatma. Because of that, tari he samadhana chitta. Then there is samadhana, contentment, shanti in my heart. When I see Paramatma in every person, I can see Paramatma here because this statue Paramatma is not bothering me. We have to see Paramatma where things and beings are bothering me. Okay, otherwise whole world is Paramatma. Okay, but that person which you don't like, that is not Paramatma. What is the use of that knowledge? Everything is Paramatma. It is very difficult. I can understand this. But this is the solution. To keep your mind calm. And when samadhanam is there, samadhanam, shanti, contentment is there, that time labha hani nahi eta antara. Labh means benefit, profit or loss. It will not affect you. Antara means heart. Antara means my mind. That gain and loss, benefit and profit and loss will not affect my journey, affect my thinking. When I have samadhanam. When I will have samadhanam? When I see God everywhere. Paramatma in each and every individual, every particle. If I see Paramatma, then there is no question of profit and loss. Labha hani nahi eta antara. Externally there could be hani, loss, but my mind will be at calm because I have Paramatma with me. Tukaram Maharaj gives the very, very important concept in next stanza. करोनी नातळो संसारा, करोनी नातळो संसारा, अंग भिन्न राखिला पसारा, अंग भिन्न राखिला पसारा, कळवळा तो जीवनी खरा, कळवळा तो जीवनी खरा, बीजाचा थारा दुर्याघात, बीजाचा थारा दुर्याघात, भांडवल गाठी करी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी करी विश्वास. We do karma and that karma binds us. Karma binds us means karma phala will bind me. If I do bad karma, then that bad karma will generate bad result. After some day or in this life or in next life, I will get that result. Now karma is playing with me, karma is binding me. Why? Because I do action. And Tukaram Maharaj gives us wonderful concept of Vedanta. Karoni samsara natalo. We should highlight this somewhere. I will do karma, but that karma will not bind me. This is Vedanta. This is actually gist of everything. We can't stop doing karma, and karma phala will not stop coming to us. Then we can't stop karma, and karma phala is going to come to you. Then what is the best solution? You do karma in such a way that karma phala doesn't bind you. Wonderful. Karoni natalo samsara. Some people will say don't do this, don't do that, so that karma phala will not be generated. Tukaram Maharaj says you do karma, but that should not affect you. In that way you should do. This is Jnaneshwar Maharaj, Tukaram Maharaj and Bhagwan's philosophy. If you see second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam. What is yoga? In karma you show your dexterity, expertise. You do karma, but that karma will not bind you. This is the greatness of our Vedanta Shastra. In samsara we do karma, we get bind by that, and we suffer, beaten up by those karma phala, and then we say, now what should I do? Now come here, bow down here, we will give something to you, don't worry. Karoni natalo samsara, anga bhinna rakhila pasara. Pasara means mother, father, all relations, house, car, wife, everything. I was with them, but I was alipta, untouched by them. I had wife, I had house, but I was not affected by them. I was doing my all duties diligently, but nothing was affecting me. Okay. We don't do duties diligently and everything affects us. That is why spirituality is there. That is why a stack of books are there. They were not useless people. They did not have much time to write down, but they wrote it down for us only. We feel, what is the use of these all things? One day you will come to us only. This is for sure. Anga bhinna. Anga means I kept everything away from me. Alipta. Everything alipta from me. Pasara means mother, whole family, all relations, house, car, wife, everything. I kept everything away from me. I was untouched, detached from them. Kalvala to jivani khara. And I had strong love for you, Bhagwan, when I was in the midst of all these people. My love is for you only continuously. You know, if a girl is there and she loves another boy, and her family member, they are forcing, compelling her to marry with another boy, she will get married, but she will have love for that boy only, first love. Okay, this is not my experience, but I have seen these things. Same way, if you love God, wherever you are, you will have love for that God only. So our first love should be that God, no any girl or boy. Okay, they will change anytime, they will flip anytime, you will never know how, when they will flip. Today they will say I love you, today they will say I hate you. God will never say I hate you today and tomorrow I will love. He will say I always love you. Bijacha thara, and you are the seed of this whole universe. Bijacha thara. Thara means where bees is, where seed is sitting. All energy, all power is sitting in that seed, that you are. So samsara is the vruksha, and bee of that seed of that samsara is Paramatma. Duri aghata, and when you go near to this Paramatma, near to this seed, then whatever happens to tree will not affect you. Duri aghata, then all aghata means all disasters, all calamities will be away from you, because you are near to seed, you are near to God. All calamities, they will be far away from you. Bijacha thara, because Lord is the rest, Bij rest in God. Okay, Bij rest in God. Okay. Duri aghata, then all calamities, disaster, dilemmas, they are away from you. Tukaram Maharaj says, how did I achieve this state? Whatever people were saying, I did not go by public opinion. I go by what is Santa Mahatma's opinion. Okay. बहुमता पासोनी निराळा, बहुमता पासोनी निराळा, बहुमता पासोनी निराळा, बहुमता पासोनी निराळा. हो निराहिलो सोवळा, हो निराहिलो सोवळा, हो निराहिलो सोवळा, हो निराहिलो सोवळा. बैसला रूपाचा कळवळा, बैसला रूपाचा कळवळा, बैसला रूपाचा कळवळा, बैसला रूपाचा कळवळा. तुका मने डोळा लेईलो ते, तुका मने डोळा लेईलो ते. भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास. झालो ते झालो निश्चय दास, झालो ते झालो निश्चय दास. न पाहे मागील ते वास, न पाहे मागील ते वास, न पाहे मागील ते वास, न पाहे मागील ते वास. पुढती सोस सेवेचाचे, पुढती सोस सेवेचाचे, पुढती सोस सेवेचाचे, पुढती सोस सेवेचाचे. भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास, भांडवल गाठी तरी विश्वास. बहुमता पासोनी निराळा. ब्युटिफुल ट्यून, फुल राग, कोमल ऑल स्वरास. बहुमता पासोनी निराळा, बहुमता पासोनी निराळा. Bahumat, all people, they were giving their opinion. Don't go to Pandharpur, don't all the time have tal, bhajan. What is there in that? This was the Bahumat. Today, if in early age or in young age, if you start pursuing this path, people will say, what's wrong with you? Because many people, they say, do some work, and what is there in this all the time bhajan kirtan? But you should be like Tukaram Maharaj. I know what I am doing, I know where this will end up, and I know how I am going to benefit and how people are going to benefit. I know how dharma is going to protect it. That is why there is sacrifice of so many things. This is not easy path. Bahumata pasuni. Nirala means I am separate. I am separate from everybody. You know, in our team or friend circle, there will be one person who will never agree with everybody. He will always have some different idea all the time. If somebody says, let us go to waterfall, he will say, no, let us go to movie. If everybody says, let us go to movie, he will say, let us go in some ground or to play something. All the time, different opinion. Tukaram Maharaj says, I was also like that. Everybody was saying, have nice home, nice wife, do some good things, take care of your family, and work, look after them. Tukaram Maharaj says, no, no, no. I will pursue God. This is my ultimate goal. Bahu mata pasune nirala. Hovani rahilo sovala. Sovala means purity. Okay, piosity. That pious thing, that sublimate. I was so sovale vovale is there. Means I will not mingle with anybody. I will be as pure as much possible. Sovala. Rahilo sovala. I did not agree with what people are saying. That is why I was separate and I was pure. My thought process was pure. And what happened then? Baisala rupacha kalvala. Kalvala means love. Strong love is there for your form now. You see here also how nicely he is standing. Baisala rupacha kalvala. Earlier I would love this form, that form. Now Baisala, now this your form has embraced my heart. Now I will look your form everywhere. I will see your form, your face everywhere. Baisala rupacha kalvala. And तुका म्हणे डोळा लेईलोते. Now that form is not outside. Right now when I see Lord, I can see Vithala. But when you love him too much, that Vithala will be there in your eyes, and you will see this is poetry form. But Dhaneshwar Maharaj says, Rupa pahata lochani, means when that Lord is not outside now, Lord is there in my eyes. In my vision, Lord is there. That is why I will see everywhere Lord. This is called here Dola Leilote. Leilo means that Lord is now captured in my eyes. Now he will not go out from my eyes. If somebody puts cover on this statue, then I will not see this Lord. But if Lord Vithala is there in my vision, then nobody can cover my vision. Okay, other than desire. Nobody can cover. External covering will not be there. That is Tukaram Maharaj saying, I was different from everybody, and I was having so much purity, piosity. And then I have strong love for your form, and that form is now inside. That form is not outside anymore. This is culmination of bhakti. Okay, I will not speak much. This is enough. Thank you for continuously watching this series, and I am really thankful to Warkari Shikshan Samstha and Chinmay Mission, Pavai, Swami Bodhatmanandaji, and my all acharyas like Param Pujya Pratasmaraniya Maruti Maharaj Kurekar, Param Pujya Pratasmaraniya Shastri Baba Mukhekar Shastri Ji, Param Pujya Adarniya Ullas Maharaj Suryavanshi, Param Pujya Adarniya Mothe Mauli Dhaneshwar Mauli Kadam, Param Pujya Adarniya Dr. Narayan Maharaj Jadhav. These all are my acharyas. They trained me not to speak. They inculcate good values in me, and they give me eyes to see Vedanta. We need magnifying glass to see subtle things. These Santa Mahatma's words, they are very subtle. You cannot understand just by listening from somebody, some other person. You need magnifying glass so that you can see clearly what they are telling. And that glass was given by all these great Mahatma. I offer this seva in the lotus feet of Swami Bodhatmananda Saraswati ji and all Warkari Shikshan Samstha's teachers. I offer this seva. I am really thankful to them. I offer this Vedi Vakadi. Somehow I spoke on this. First time in Warkari Sampradaya somebody spoke on Natache Abhanga in English. This is all Lord Vitthala's grace. Nothing is mine. Not word is mine. Nothing is mine actually. Only Lord is prompting me to do that, and I am doing this. I request all listeners, all audience, you also should bless me so that I will be coming out with different text in front of you, so that Santa Mahatma Vangmay Prachar, importance, Mahatva Buddhi for this should come. This is my pure intention behind this. So hope this seva will be accepted by my our teacher and ultimately Lord Vithala, Sant Jnaneshwar Maharaj, Sant Tukaram Maharaj. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. पुंडलीक वरदा श्री हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु स्वामी चिन्मयानंद महाराज की जय. सब संतन की जय. रामकृष्ण हरि.